The Chevrolet Bel Air remains one of the most iconic American cars in automotive history, and its popularity shows no sign of waning. At the Barrett-Jackson auction in Scottsdale, Arizona, earlier this January, several Bel Airs were up for bidding. Among them, one particular car stole the show, selling for a whopping $247,500. This stunning 1956 Chevy Bel Air, finished in a breathtaking candy apple red and pearl white color combo, exemplifies why classic cars can demand such high prices. This 1956 Bel Air represents the second generation of the beloved model, a car that has captured the hearts of collectors and enthusiasts for decades. What makes this Bel Air stand out is not just its age or the nostalgia it invokes, but the incredible level of customization and modern upgrades it received during its restoration. The car was given a new life by an undisclosed shop, with its immaculate body resting on a fully powder-coated Art Morrison chassis. The bodywork is smooth and flawless, with shaved door locks, no emblems, and a whisper-quiet soft-closed trunk door. The Bel Air's visual appeal is enhanced by the perfect balance of chrome and stainless trim, complemented by smoked glass. However, the real magic lies under the hood. This isn't your typical 1956 engine setup. The car now boasts a powerful LS3 engine that cranks out an impressive 525 horsepower. This modern powerplant sends its output to a Ford 9-inch limited-slip rear differential via a 4-speed automatic transmission, while ceramic-coated exhausts handle the engine's output. But it's not just the exterior and engine that make this Bel Air a standout. The interior is just as impressive, offering a perfect blend of luxury and technology. Soft tan leather seats are complemented by LED lights, Dakota digital HDX gauges, and a custom stereo sound system tucked away inside a custom console. For comfort and convenience, cup holders have been thoughtfully included for all seats, ensuring that every passenger can enjoy the ride to the fullest. At a price tag of $247,500, this Bel Air is much more than just a classic car, it's a masterpiece of automotive design and craftsmanship. Whether the new owner enjoys this stunning machine on the road or waits for its value to rise, this Chevy Bel Air is undoubtedly a prized possession. It's a perfect example of why spending $250,000 on a car sometimes makes perfect sense. The combination of timeless design, modern upgrades, and rarity makes it a worthy investment that will only appreciate in value.